Starting over or starting fresh, this honeyed haven candle is a little light you didn't know you needed. Let's make one together. I first made this candle during a big life shift. I needed something grounding, something that made the space feel like it was mine. The scent, a blend of comfort and clarity. The glow, pure gold. Let me show you how easy it is to make these candles. The first step is you're gonna wanna get your 3 beeswax sheets out of the packaging. Take off this little paper separator on each of them. Make sure you're using every little piece of the paper separator. For the next step, we're gonna drop 1 of each of the essential oils onto, you can use a cotton ball or a cotton round. So we're gonna do 1 drop of our timber essential oil blend, 1 drop of citronella, and then 1 drop of bergamot. The next step we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and lightly rub this on all 3 of the beeswax sheets. Go ahead and grab a pair of gloves for this step. We're gonna go ahead and grab our wick. We're gonna place it at the end of our sheet and then make sure it's about 1/4 of a way on both sides, on both ends. You're gonna cut this guy like so. We're gonna do that for all 3. For the next step, we're gonna carefully roll it all up. Don't stress if it cracks. If it does crack, you can just warm the wax with your hands or on a low setting on a blow dryer and then smooth it out. No worries. I'm wearing gloves for this process to make sure that I don't get the undiluted essential oils all over my hands. I'm rolling and making sure that I'm tucking the wick inside of the parts that I'm rolling. And then once you get it to your liking, you can go ahead and just keep rolling it. Some people like to roll all at the same time. I like to do it in increments so that I can see if it broke in some parts. And then if it does break, I can go ahead and use my hands and patch it up. All right, we're almost there. Ta-da! Made my own beeswax candle all by myself. I found a little piece of the paper that was separating the wax, so go ahead and take this out if you find this. This one broke a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and just place my fingers over the spot where it broke and just kind of heat it, and that will help patch it up. And we have made our candle number 2. 2 down, 1 more to go. There are 2 ways you can roll your wick into your candle. You can either leave it out on the bottom, or what I did with the other 2 is I kind of tucked it in while I was rolling. If you do it this way, you're gonna wanna trim the bottom and then just kind of push the wick into the bottom of the candle like so. And this guy got a little longer than the rest, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim that. Otherwise, you're gonna have a very large flame. This recipe is gonna have you make 3 of these so you'll have a cute little trio to place around your space. Let's test them out. The bergamot and the timber make it feel clean and cozy, while the beeswax glows like sunlight. It's calm in candle form, something beautiful you made all by yourself. Want to try making your own beeswax candles? Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, get everything you need to make your own honeyed haven candles, and so many more toxin-free DIYs. Don't forget to tag #IMadeThis and from Simply Earth for a chance to win a free $100 gift card and get featured. See you next time, and thanks for watching. Bye.